Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger error. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger error, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about messenger and you click. Here in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. Here you will search about messenger. When you find it, you will find here uninstall. You can uninstall your app, then you will wait a moment and you can install again your app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.